Okay, so this week for Skincare Week, I am excited to share with you one of my favorite new finds, and that is how many of you wish you could have a skincare cleansing wipe that's actually good for your skin, that is easy to use, and is anti-aging. So here's the thing. All of those skincare wipes that you can buy that are pre-moistened to take off your makeup with, they leave residue and they leave a film on your skin. So they're all, generally speaking, really not good for your skin. But they're convenient and they're easy, and you wish you could use them because you are tired at night. So I have a solution for you using your favorite Mary Kay cleanser. Okay, so I've already taken off my eye makeup and I've already used my micellar water that we talked about yesterday. So it can be done with any of our Mary Kay cleansers. I am using it with the Mary Kay foaming cleanser. It'd be great with the 4-in-1 cleanser, the hydrating oil mattifying cleanser, or even the men's cleanser. And what I did was I bought off Amazon, and if you would like the link to this, send me a DM. I bought a little plastic case like this. And inside here, I'm gonna take the lid off and show you what's inside. Next, I took my Clean Skin Cleansing Cloths. I always use these because they're biodegradable and I love how easy they are. It's one use, throw away, and they don't destroy our environment. And I also love using this because after I'm done washing my face, I wipe down my countertop with it. So my sink's always clean. Okay, so what I did, I took the lid off the plastic container. I filled this about 2/3 a cup of warm water to start, and I poured inside several squirts of the Time Wise foaming cleanser. I kind of just proportioned it for about 10 to 15 uses, and then mixed it together in the container with my masking brush to make sure all the cleanser was broken up inside. What I had left is, you can see the milky cleanser inside, so to speak. And then I put about 15 of the Clean Skin Cleansing Cloths inside my container. And now I have a really easy cleansing cloth. Now the first time I did this, I added too much water. I added more water to it after the initial fill. So don't be tempted to fill it with more water. You don't need more water. Fill it with 2/3 with the cleanser, let it all melt and break in, and then don't add more water, even if it looks like the cloth soaked everything up. That's what you want. And now I have a cleansing cloth with a built-in cleanser of my favorite anti-aging cleanser. I don't have to worry about residue being left behind because I know what's in it, and it's good for my skin, and it's easy to do. And I love, love, love this solution. Look at all the makeup coming off. And so I even have my hair color today. So I'm getting some residue off of the hair color. And I do rinse this out. I will rinse this out with warm water and do a once over to make sure I get all the cleanser off my skin, because I can feel the cleanser on my skin. And then do my normal skincare routine. So I just rinsed the cloth off and got all the cleanser out of it. And I'm just doing another once over to make sure I'm getting all the cleanser off my product. And you can notice I'm doing my neck as well, because our neck ages twice as fast as our face. So our hands, our eyes, and our neck, you really want to make sure you don't neglect. So if you're someone who loves those easy disposable cleansing cloths, I invite you to make your own with your Mary Kay cleanser. It's cheaper, it's effective, better for your skin. You're going to get anti-aging ingredients on your skin, and you're getting real anti-aging ingredients and product, and you're not having residue left behind. How easy is that? And then you can just throw this away. I always wipe down my counter first, and that's how easy it is. And what's great about these cloths, if you like the link for the cloths, send me a DM. I will send you a link for those. I have a discount code for you. What's so great is that they are biodegradable. So they are not filling our landfills with more junk, which is really important to me because Mary Kay is also a green company.